In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder and upload files in Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're inside your Drive, click the plus New button in the top left corner, then select New Folder from the drop-down menu. Type a name for your folder in the text box, then click Create. Your new folder will now appear in your Drive. If you want a faster way to create a folder, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. Just press Alt+C, release it, then press F. This will instantly create a new folder without using your mouse. Now, double-click the newly created folder to open it. Once inside, click the plus New button again in the top left corner, then select File Upload. A file window will appear. Select the files you want to upload from your computer, then click Open to begin the upload process. Alternatively, you can upload files even faster by selecting them from your computer. And simply dragging and dropping them directly into the center of the Google Drive window. Once you've uploaded your files, wait for the upload notification in the bottom right corner. When you see the Upload Complete message with a green check mark, it means your files have been successfully added to your folder. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.